Have you ever wondered if it is possible to boot Windows 11 directly from a USB on your Android device? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step on just a few minutes. Open Play Store. Here search for Implemented USB. Install this app, Ultimate USB All-on-One. Now open Chrome, search for Windows 11, hit enter. Open Microsoft website, scroll down, select your Windows, click on download now, open this app, allow. In this app, we have different tools. First, connect your USB device to your mobile device. Allow Ultimate USB to access flash disk. OK. Select Defuse. Pick ISO. Select your ISO. Click on Start. If you don't have Windows ISO, you can download directly from Microsoft website. Click on OK. But here is a small problem. You should have 3 coins. You can watch 3 videos and you can get 3 coins. Let us do it. Now I have 3 coins. Select GPT, then click on Start. All data will be formatted. Click on OK. It will take a few moments to copy all the file on the USB. Let us check if it works. Yes, it is work. Now you can boot your system and install the Windows.